So, hello everyone. I am Dave Mercadlawan from BSI Tennis 3A. So, our topic is computer platforms, the foundation of digital innovation. So, and alamin natin kung ano yung computing and ano yung mga technologies platform na meron dito. So, pwede nating ano yun. Yan. Computing platform are the fundamentals environment where software applications run. And they encompass both hardware and software components working together to provide the necessary resources and execution abilities. Understanding different platform technology is crucial for developers yun, lalo na sa mga IT businesses and users alike. It empowers them for choices about how to build, deploy, and utilize solutions. Kumbaga, dapat mag-dig dig deep sila about computing, especially IT developers, programmers, yun. What is key platform technologies for computing? So, personal computing. The familiar workstation for individual use is desktop and laptops. Yun. For employing operating system like Windows tulad sa previous video is operating system and platform technologies. So, yun. Dito naman sa personal computing, yun. Magamit tayo ng Windows for desktop and laptops or macOS, Linux, or Chrome OS. So, ano to? Di pa siya totally tulad ng mga batikan na operating system. So, yun. Alam ko sa mobile devices naman, yan, personal computing is operating system like Android, iOS, yan, iPadOS, optimized for portability and touch interaction. So, cloud computing naman, sa platform ng cloud computing, on-demand access to computing resources, servers, storage, databases, etc. via the internet offered by public cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. So yun, ayan yung mga uh, remote databases, storage, or uh, kumbaga, di mo na kailangan not on-premises platform. Yun. Hindi tulad ng mga local host mo para makapag-ano ka ng sarili mong MySQL. Iba to, cloud computing. Uh, Accessible siya through specific application or browser. So, edge computing, distributed processing close to data sources, often in conjunction with Internet of Things devices for low latency real-time application. So, yun. Ito yung example ng edge computing. So, meron tayo. Ito yung edge pala. Yan. Basic analytics, data, yan. From cloud or data center to, para masupplyan yung mga devices na IoT or vice versa. High performance computing or HPC, extremely powerful computers used for intensive scientific, engineering and analytical tasks typically found in research facilities and data centers. Ayan, medyo maano siya, higher siya sa di tulad ng mga common na tulad kong ginagamit na personal computing. HPC medyo pang ano na to, mga pang company or mga serve. So, embedded systems, specialized computing platform integrated into devices and appliances running firmware or real-time operating systems. So, yun, yung mga commonly halimbawa sa smart home or smart city, embedded. So, web platform naman for computing. The internet and web browsers tulad ng mga Chrome, Firefox, Safari as platform for web application built using ito yung pinaka-common, HTML sa JavaScript. Pero may mga existing may mga existing frameworks or other technologies pero based pa rin talaga to sa pinaka-fundamental sa HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So another is enterprise platforms. Yun, yung mga tulad namin sa school is Microsoft Office ginagamit. Yan. Kumbaga, ito naman pa enterprise naman, yan. Mga Adobe Creative Suite or for specific types of work within organization. Yan. more on mga ah, lipon na mga applications tulad ng Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. Ayan, marami pa siya iba't ibang tulad ng Photoshop, Premiere, ah, and so on. Tulad ng Microsoft Word, Power, PowerPoint, or Excel. Next, yan. Ito yung niya, platform technologies, examples. Yun, Windows, macOS, Linux, yan. Typical applications, yung productivity, entertainment, gaming, development, yan. Mobile, yun. Android, iOS, hybrid, communication, social media, navigating, yan. Pwede din siya for entertainment dito. Cloud computing, yan. AWS, yan. Web applications, tulad sinabi ko, accessible siya through web. And data storage, analytics, machine learning, yan. Edge computing, smart homes, industrialization, automation, HPC yan, supercomputers, medyo matataas na. Scientific research, yan. And so on. Embedded systems, smart TVs, cars, wearables, devices, functional, control system, typical applications niya. Web platform naman for online services, e-commerce, or social media. Tapos, enterprise, business operation, yun. Project management, customer service. So, yun lang for computing and its platform technologies.